Hey guys, how you all doing? How you all doing? So yesterday in the shopping centre, I was just waiting and I was looking on my phone at YouTube videos, Kodi YouTube videos, um, and I saw one. And of course, a lot of these videos that you see, they actually sort of show you how to install a build, but they don't actually show you the build. And also they don't actually name the build as well. So you have to watch the video and see which way they go in the wizard or what they click on, and then you get the gist. I remember saying when I was on holiday, I was out in Portugal, I said to this guy, look, I don't mind you showing the build, right, but bloody put the name in the title. That way it sort of helps the builder, I guess. Someone could do a search for that build and they can see how to install it or something like that. But anyway, I looked through the comments on this particular video and they show you the Sith build, and I don't know, the people were just actually slating it. They were saying, oh, it's rubbish, you can't navigate through it, blah blah blah. So I just installed it just now, and then I realized that the version that they did on or they showed in the video's probably about a month old or a few weeks. It had the older version, it was version 1.3. So I've checked on the two wizards that have this build, and it's version 1.5. Now, like someone's saying that they can't navigate, it's really awkward. Now, this is a one-page build. I remember a couple of weeks ago, someone asked me, one of the subscribers asked me for, one-page builds. And I sort of given them a list, and I totally forgot about this one. So, of course, I've sort of edited it for YouTube. So normally if you go up, you'll get widgets. You go down, you've got your favorites, you've got the power, you got we call it a sub menu there, and of course there's a add-on shortcut, so you're gonna have a bar along sort of the middle of the screen. I have to just remove that just for YouTube, and it has stuff there. I think maybe at the time, we had with the passing of Seaman, some of the URL chains or the repo chains. So I guess something like Quicksilver, I don't know if it was working or not, I'm not too sure. But for someone to say that they can't navigate, I'm going like this, look. Easy peasy. If you click on the word Sith, it goes into the settings here. You can go to skin settings and stuff like that. I'm gonna, if I get time, I'm gonna go and question these guys. Find out what build they use. Find out why they can't navigate. Now this skin uses the Influence skin. This build uses Influence skin. When I first got into Kodi, it was Kodi 15. They had Confluence, which is sort of similar to this. And a lot of the popular builds, I'm not gonna say the best, I'm gonna say the popular, because you guys know, like Dig Xenon, all those YouTubers who trying to sell you their VPN, the commission hungry YouTubers. They tell you must get a VPN, and you ask them about the VPN, they ain't got a clue about it, they're trying to flog it. And of course they're all just using a Xenon build, and they don't even show you how to use it as well. So you got what we got? Ontrex, we got Green Monster, Dr. Manhattan, Freedom. There's that one Frank's build. You got Doomsday, he's got his USA, he's got Aspire Junior, and of course Xenon. Those builds are like sort of like the most popular, and of course they all use this skin. And this skin is easy to use. I think it's easy to use. If you guys tell me what build you guys use, just drop it down in the comments. I know you got the Aeon Nox skin. It's nice and great to stick on, different sort of artwork and stuff. I prefer this skin. I just put on the background picture and Bob's your uncle. But yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna go and comment and say what's. I mean, I know it was weeks ago they installed it, and a lot of people don't seem to understand that when you do install a build. I think the builder did say, not the builder, the YouTuber did say, leave it for 5 minutes. I wouldn't even say 5 minutes. I would say put it for a couple of minutes, switch it off, all right, power it down, relaunch it, wait for the wizards and to do its work, and for the add-ons to do the uploads, downloads, and then it might be good. Some builds you install and it just shuts off by itself because it can't take all the downloaded speeds and everything processing straight away. So it does take a bit of time. It could even be 3 times, especially if you're using a big build. It might shut down, or you might have to shut it down 3 times until everything sort of populates and stuff like that. Like I said, this build is a 1-page build. It's sort of a mid-range build, but as you can see from the add-ons, you got the best ones there. And from what I can remember, the widgets along the top, is a Debrid with widgets. So if you don't have a Debrid and you click on it, then it's not going to work. But I can see some non-Debrid add-ons there and one-click stuff as well. So there you go. I think I'm just gonna have to answer the people. I mean, the only person who knows about the build properly is the builder himself, because he's the one who made it. But yeah, I was like saying, oh, I didn't know if it was crap, if it was rubbish. But I think it's okay. Do we really need a build with so many different pages? I mean, it's good to have variety. And for people to say, oh, it's rubbish and stuff like that, I love to see them make a build. Make a build, send it to me. And I know some people don't like me showing builds because I criticize sometimes. I do, sometimes I don't. But yeah, make a build, send it to me. I'll have a look at it for you. I'll tell you what's good, what's bad. Hey. All right then, guys, that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.